Subscribe to Niger's Craziest. Press the bell icon and never miss another video update.
Niger's Craziest does not add the view of any political parties, individuals, or religious group. This show is just for comedy purposes only. It might contain scenes with strong languages, strong satirical humor, links to a relative you might know, and references some may find offensive. If that kind of thing will offend you, because close your browser now and get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Because that's what we do.
Comedians are absolutely insane. That's it. Igbo.
Yes. I'm not making noise.
Why are you crying?
I no cry. Did you see me cry? I no cry. Oh, this
then what are you doing?
I just soliloquize.
My friend, keep quiet. I've told you. You are talking about South Africans following prophets, but you are believing people anyhow. You have been believing this guy.
It's not that I'm believing this guy, but it's just that I'm believing him. I don't know why.
You believe him blindly. I told you before that you don't trust human beings. That human beings can be like this.
But I don't believe this video.
You don't believe it?
I know say they act his mouth, they act his face, they act his leg, they act everything about it, they act his phone, they act his movement and he's smiling.
You should say they put strings on his body and they use it to control him to be saying all this.
This is not say that I know. This is not him.
Wait, Obiao. Where did you know J Israel? J Israel, you know. Don't shut up. Where did you know J Israel? Is he a relation to you, or have you met him before? Do you have any dealings with him before? How do you know him?
It's a relationship with us on the YouTube, Facebook.
It's not a relationship with me, because I know. See, a leopard does not change his stripe. Somebody that is conny like this, it will always be conny.
But waste. Let them watch the video.
Let them watch the video. We will come back.
No, he said it. I'm bad for you, I think.
We have made money. We have made money. I'm telling you. I was the second wife. I just sungirira.
Kuti yes, kuti second wife.
No, kuti you were the second wife.
I will say, kuti not our beef. Even the South Africa chain fingers in Kagari. You could share another move. Check it in the question for channel.
Muteji.
I will say it, but it's a lie. It's a lie. Hey, but it
was a proper marriage.
You can ask your mother. Never slept with my granddad. Never. But I could go to his house. He has got a lounge. And my sofa that out. No, not like this. Like those are brown, but I got white.
Live here though. I need to eat in, I think, probably 2 weeks consecutive. The same way that I did with Aflocao. Takatanga kuma Miracles, nikaenda kwa Skana, nikaenda ku Mari, nikaenda, bit by bit, kuma Cult, kuma Chichichi, kuma Prophecy, one by one, videos did you announce to my display. But ndozi yakuti mawani paachanzonzwa kuti mawani paachanzonzi blessing his life. I'm telling you. Nyaya iyi nikiyaya tukachatanga kumanyira pfungwa dzake kokoko kuti pakaipa.
I don't tell you how much it was Makandi.
Yeah.
If he's thinking it's about money, it's very strategized in angle, it will shock him.
Man, I put it. Because once he hears that you are alive, he will know that you are coming to talk about money.
So it will be another issue. Fabricated. Which was the second wife.
Yeah.
And the people who believe it.
I'm telling you.
And the Babongo said, that's why.
That's why everything.
People start saying,
even with details, he came, Kumba, he would do this, he would come. He came unannounced at some point, he would just, no chairman, so another pass, akaisa musoro maoko musoro kuti yai because mai makandiwa ndo vanotanga kufunza kuti saka pese pamaenda kuSouth Africa naBlessing ari kuSouth Africa muri kuSouth Africa ndo zvamaiita
akanonza muchechi kuti baba ende mutengemba mubhuku anga atonditaurira kuti mugare korera kuonana kumusoni
akanonza muchechi kuti upenyu atuze mese muri china upenyu
muchechi chiye mugare mubhuku mwana vari kuti mugare mubhuku
ndobva anotenga zvake imba
vanhu vakapenga kuti ivo vapinda mubhuku vakuti nini chiendewo mubhuku munemba yenyaranaka vanhu topatati nedimension yekumaoko yanyakanaka imba iyoyo akati but it doesn't make sense yana musina imba you've got 2 properties akuti ndinotenga mubhuku for what and the people start making one and one two together.
No, people will make one but no this is true. This is true. That is true. It can never be a lie. It's very true. How do you think with what do you think would be his reaction? I'm not reactor, say.
Chunanitsana makandiwa ini handinzwisisi nababa veve but sata tanga mutanga manobvunza mai venyu kuti munina makandiwa mutange manyatsoziva
but there was no relationship whatsoever.
Nothing, never, nothing. But even inini ndakasvika pakubuda muyear 5 even dai uri unzi upenyu haasi kuziva kuti tinotaura kunoti baba nditoambobvunza muyear 5 last day ramakabuda makandiwa begged upenyu don't go. God is saying it's not yet time. How he knew, I don't know.
I know that my informer.
But it doesn't move at all around. It's not going to but but church is at home. He begged that he don't go. No relationship whatsoever. And then I was not dramatic. My chairs I do not consider some fine. My chairs are winning.
Oh my God.
But I got it.
I mean, it's a garabambiri chavo.
To the point where I couldn't ndikasvika ndikaona ndotenda ndienda kumaterrace. Church yaipera maasha achinditsvaga kumaterrace. Ndakarelaxa zvangu. I didn't try to be. I think you just need to have people in year 5. Ask this woman about me. Because I was under Mashango. They will tell you it was a perfect couple, Shane. Perfect.
1 second. See, as soon as I go live with this woman, this Jackie Pamoto lady.
That one will.
Yeah.
She never told me like a book around the great secret.
I know good. You don't know good.
But you know, why this is because it's a lie. I don't. It's because it's a lie.
Which one?
Which is second wife.
The second wife. But how do you think you will react once he hears as saying that you are the second wife and whatnot.
Do you know Shimani-san, I can tell everything about me. You did it publicly.
One bedroom,
one bedroom and
but he didn't get very nice revenge, manje. Pamari beba.
But you are better off with the money that has about 12 million claims.
You think how much do you think he might take out?
So calculate about 1,400 people. But that will claim at least 1,000 US each.
Okay. How many people?
1,400 people.
But that will claim 1,000. That's like 1.4 million. Right?
Is it 1.4 million?
Yeah, 1.4 million. Or 14 million.
Kumarano zvizoti vakawanda ruda mari dzavo nematenda avo nemota dzavo. You will shake him. But you will not second wife and you will regret everything.
The pay sounds are good.
You have to telephone him.
I have a funny sounds.
Again, do you want to jump back to every sound when this about
I have a battery sounds.
That one, ka?
Battery sounds.
We are going to what sounds that you will tell you to Marathon Borana.
But I think I would have something.
You know, Bayanya so simple, but
I think I would have something.
I already beat up a fucking daughter. Then get a good revenge. She'll feel honored. But you don't negotiate as you.
No.
Send me to
no, I don't. You know what? I don't even talk about that.
No, but you need someone to say that I hear doing a green line. I think in a line one.
All right.
I know that cleaning, but you won't come with a string. You are coming with a or you're blessing and guys to
yes.
But what I will say, may I don't broke women. I don't know how it sounds.
Dear. Hiyo ndiye mnatukira hiyo. Huyu.
Ewa huyu kuti ndakana ndanzi girlfriend, awo yanozvishi stupid, anozviti.
Tikabatanidza uyu nemagirlfriends chaiwo chokwadi.
Chokwadi vari veri vana vakandii. Haako magirlfriends haako zvake. Haako.
It's okay. On the day of the actual Ningi, live, one thing I can tell you is that alikuwa alikoko kana asatambonamata muupenyu wake achafuga mapazi tanga wanamata. I'm telling you, because anenge asikuziva kuti chii chiri kuda kubuda. Because anoziva kuti palive yangu pango uita dzetuzekei.
Tikanoti munhu tanzwa runyere kupero zvada kudai tega tazvirova seprofesi nokodza kuti tende munongoita seprofesi. So pazvinozobuda zvezvatange vakazvitaura asi tinenge takatonzwa nerumasikari tofana taenda kumberi. Vanhu vachitoziva kuti vakada havozotaura naye havakava chiro chavataura vachangobhilivha because we're too close.
Yeah, pagaipo.
But we need to trade it question.
Pagaipo.
Okay, you are back.
Wait, I want to say something.
Say what you want.
This video.
First of all, stop crying.
I'm not crying.
Shut up. Stop crying so that they can hear what you want to say.
Okay.
And speak proper English.
Okay. Now, see this video very well. Share the video very well. I don't want to cry. Oh, okay. Let me calm down. Emotional gullible stress, leave me alone. I don't want to be emotional now. Now look at this video very well. Check the video. Do you understand me? Check him. Is Jay Israel moving? I'm asking you. Is he moving from?
If I give you slap, if I give you slap, your brain will reset. It's not moving. No, it should be dancing like this. You are seeing video. You are still saying he is not moving. You don't want to believe that this man he has not changed from his ways.
But
that means everything Solomon Isang said is true.
But because I chatted with Solomon recently, he told me that Jay Israel is still a charlatan, that he has never changed. But I'm shocked with this. If let's say waste, if this video we are seeing,
if remove the word if.
Okay, no if.
This video you are seeing is
okay. I will put Adam. I will not put if. Adam and if.
Yeah, say what you want to say.
Okay, Adam. In this video is real. They suppose jail Israel.
He entered na jail Israel. That means I'm starting to think that one that he did, that he said I have to look at after my life. He didn't go to police station.
Yes.
He just went to one corner. And because he did not show us
the next thing is the next thing he did was when he got to the place, he said, "They after my life, pray for me, this that." Before you know, he said we can go. Okay, let's move. Before you know, he move enter this car.
In that video, he was saying we have made so much money.
Waste. I want to know, how did he want to make money from that thing that he want to lie?
I don't know how he has made money.
See, this video is convincing.
But that girl, that girl has sued Makandiwa before.
But why is it not Tony? Okay, what did you sue Makandiwa about?
The whole sexual harassment thing.
But now, in the video, she's denying it. That there's nothing like he never slept with Makandiwa, never did this with Makandiwa, never did this, never did that. I'm just, see. Okay, now let's say this video was shot this December. It happens this December. Why are they not wearing mask? Why are they not
wearing mask?
This is Nigeria. Most of them, they are not family. They come from different places. It's a visit. So as a visitor, you have to wear your mask. It is very important. You can't go to somebody that's in that kind of place and don't wear your mask.
See, me, I'm not concerned about whether the video is recent or whether they are not. I'm concerned about the content of the video.
Yes.
It's because the fact that Jay Israel is saying that they want to let us lie. That's what I'm concerned. I'm not concerned about if the video is recent, if the video is not recent. Why will you lie to frame somebody?
That one is worse.
Because this is, you are trying to expose somebody, so that means you are making up stories. That is my concern.
Yes.
You are making up stories because you have the trust of people. Now, what makes you different from the person you are trying to frame? Okay, Makandiwa is a criminal, fine.
We all know he's a charlatan. Yes.
But you trying to put more things on him.
Because there was this video Jay Israel did that. He said that Makandiwa expose kind of on Facebook. He said he will bring some women that they will want to what he has done to them, so that they will come and testify, his baby mama, people that he has abused, sexual harassment and all that he will bring them to the live video. So maybe that is the plan. Yes, baby.
Don't cry. If you cry, my people, I've told you that I will beat this guy one day. This brainwashing, your own. He's not prophet.
Nobody brainwash me. Nobody.
It's Jay Israel that brainwash you. Solomon is always. You see why I like Solomon. Solomon is always one step ahead as a Nigerian guy. Jay Israel, don't be caught dead like this. You fucked up.
No, wait. Let see. Jay Israel, you know what you do. We are waiting for you to
come out and say something.
Come and defend this video.
But there is nothing to defend here because it's video and picture. Just come and defend why you are trying to frame a prophet of the most native high gods.
Don't call them prophets.
Prophet of the most native high gods now.
Don't even.
They are prophet of the Sangomas.
Okay.
A Sangomaic prophet.
Better.
Come and tell us why you are framing a Sangomaic prophet. Look at us, Jay Israel. We have been doing this thing way before you. And nobody can come out and say that we have come to frame anybody.
We will never compromise.
Nobody has come out to say offered us money and we collected. Yes, people chat us and say, oh, we want to donate to you guys. You guys are Christmas money. Take a token, use it to buy Christmas thing. Yeah. We have not gone to meet anybody to collect money, or we are not going to frame anybody. And that is why we are here before you, and that is why we will be here long after you. My brother. And
we are not here claiming to be pastors.
We are not pastors.
We are actors.
We are comedians. We are sinners. Me, I like Tombo. Me, I'm a Tombo man. Him, he drink from cow breast.
Oh.
We are not pastors. We are not holy. We are not holy.
Yes.
We just have sense.
That is how it is.
And we have our morals.
And again, in case you don't know, we are Christians.
We are Christians.
Because some of you always ask, these guys Christians.
We are Christians.
We are Christians. We belong to Jesus. Yes, I believe so much in the creation.
We are not going to go and compromise. Just to say it is what we see on the internet. The evidence we will talk. We are not going to go and try to frame somebody to collect. J. Israel, you are a disappointment.
Disappointment.
You are a disappointment because people believe so much in you. I don't want to know if this video is old or if this video is new. The fact that you are lying, you are framing evidence. You are bringing up evidence that does not exist.
Look at another part that he lied. If you watch his video, there was this video that he said he's broke, that he wasn't able to pay those guys that said they took his equipment. He said he was broke. So people contributed money for him. Now, they now contributed money.
That is how this man would have made money.
Yeah, now.
All those contributions.
It's like maybe that way. Now, he now collected the money. He now came live video that he posted some pictures about him and his family, mother, sister. He took them out. Yeah. And they now said, the place he took them is one of the most expensive places. Can you that you are broke, they now contributed money for you? How can you take money that was contributed for you to an expensive place, a place that is very things that they are very costly? You understand? How would you do that? Another video now came out and somebody was now asking, why would you take your mother to one expensive place? He now said, I have my business that I'm doing. I'm running a business. I'm not.
Now why did you come out to say I'm broke?
I have my business.
The problem is, why did you?
I don't like this contradiction or this J.
The problem, you know my problem.
I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
Wait, if I give you blow now. Wait, my problem is, why did he leave Aflukan and the charlatan life if he knows that he wants to still be doing dupe? At least in that charlatan life he can make so much money.
So much. But okay, I reason one thing.
What?
No matter how they kill Maduma, the craze could still dey there. So out of 100%,
he still has 30% craze in his head.
This one now, this J. Israel, the point is, he want to use, like now he tried to expose the occultic part, but using that sense in line, adding, you know, he just dey add something when not supposed dey there. You understand? So that he will be using that to make money for himself. And he said he everything that he got from.
Do you know what I think? I think him coming out to talk. People are saying, "Where's your evidence? Where's your evidence?" So he's trying to give people evidence by going to bring women and girls and saying that, oh, they are part of this thing. My brother, you have casted though. What do you think this guy? What do you think? Okay, this young lady too. This young lady. So
the young lady. This young lady,
Makandiwa.
She was the one going up and down. She saw where the camera. And she set up.
Makandiwa paid her now.
Look at her.
You see, did you see Makandiwa talk since? Since J. Israel has been talking about Makandiwa, have you seen Makandiwa reply? Afluka was reply. Makandiwa will not reply. He's very smart. He paid this young lady. It's a matter of who pays more. Pays the lady more. The lady set up J. Israel. J. Israel was there just opening his mouth.
And the funniest part was, this girl might be the one that called J. Israel.
Yes, nah.
Come. When you come to the house, let's do something.
Yeah, nah. Yeah.
The girl will be like, that's how they catch these boys.
The girl will be the one that called him.
Hey, he will call you and say, J. Israel, there's something I'm seeing. You come to my house, let's discuss about how we can lie. and make money from it.
Is this girl that called him? And Jay Israel has seen that, oh, we will make money. And Jay Israel knows that the girl has sued Makandiwa before. Jay Israel just
this is an opportunity. And this girl now frame, look at the way she was just dodging everything.
Yes, now.
She was.
She knows that there's a camera, so she was just dodging, changing everything.
Listen,
this young lady.
I want to advise you. Fear women.
If you don't fear women.
Fear women. Even Bible say fear the one that is slept in your bosom of the heart.
In what verse?
Chapter 1 verse 1.
If you add to the word of God, I will give you.
I not add anything.
I will, chapter 1 verse 1. You are turning into Prophet Nana Poku. Don't know the Bible, just talk. The Bible said that.
The Bible now.
Where in the Bible?
I can. Should I search?
Don't search. Tell me from your head. You quoted Bible verse. Where is the Bible verse?
I'm not like other crockets that don't used to say, chapter this versus this.
So you just say chapter 1 verse 1.
It's there in the Bible that even keep close your heart from the somebody is sleep in the bosom of your heart.
Okay.
So you get even the woman you are sleeping with, fear them. Fear woman no see am. Now woman I want bring Jezreel down now. Oh, this thing touch me. But Jezreel for man.
Even Delilah, you don't see wetin Delilah in the Bible do. My brother Jezreel, don't allow it pekus. Don't put pekus before business. Allow pekus to stay his own. You stay your own. Woman can finish you. You can see your life now. Same woman that is finishing the pastors have finished you now.
And waiting, how will he come to the public and talk?
He can't talk. It's a disappointment. The young man is a disappointment. How can he talk?
Hey!
He's a disappointment. So what does he want to say?
And every time he comes online, we say, everything I'm saying is the truth. Let God strike me. If I'm not, if
it is Ogun that will strike you. Ogun in combination with Amadioha plus more.
Simo.
Yes, Ogun, Amadioha plus more. 3 of them combined will strike you the next time you say that thing.
They don't know somebody from South.
It is your problem. They know the gods. They know the gods that the Sangoma worship. Those gods in combination with the gods that
all my prayer is with Jesus.
There's no prayer for him. There's no prayer. He slap that is for him.
You know that
he slap for trusting a devil. He slap.
Yes.
No prayer.
Slap, naked, flogging.
Everything together. My people, thank you very much for watching this video. You people have been asking why we have not dropped this episode. We have to. He has to come all the way from Lagos Island now so that we can do this video for you guys. You see, we are trying. You people should show us love. So share this video with your friends. Subscribe. Tell your family members to watch us because you know you laugh when we watch us. And don't forget, for a token fee you can have your product displayed on the table. And don't forget, follow me on Instagram at LaughMayor and follow him on Instagram at John Joshua Comedian.
Please
follow us at Ninja's Crazy.
Please, we have one problem. The problem is, even as we are shouting follow us, most of you will be seeing thousands of views. Most of you don't like to follow on Instagram. Why?
Have they subscribed on YouTube finish? They will still be asking you, what is your Instagram account? You have seen it on the video. We have said it. They will say, how do I subscribe on YouTube? You have seen it. Click subscribe there. You will still be asking. So bad, there is no problem. Thank you very much for watching this episode. Bye-bye.